Today, my first stop is at a academy. Okay, and so I had to turn it off because it's a police academy. All right, but that's my first stop for the day. I'm talking about it's so many cars out here, but couldn't hardly find nowhere to park. I had to ask the police, where can I park my car? All right. So I have 5 today, and this guy right here that I'm supposed to meet today, we've been trying to get this inspection done since the 2nd, okay? And today is the 30th, and I've been trying to get this inspection done for a minute with this guy. So hopefully I don't have any problems. He says he has an appointment in an hour after the fact, so because of that I decided I'd roll up here a little early. Hopefully I can get him so we can get him knocked out and I can get out of here, because I have other appointments as well, okay? And the faster he moves along, the quicker we can make things happen. But apparently they have a whole lot of stuff going on up in here. They have a club, they got everything in there. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the flip. They got work to do. Okay, so this was Police Academy, and I was able to get that done and taken care of. I don't know how far away my next location is, so I'm gonna have to jump in this car and move as quickly as I can just to be on the safe side, so I can't keep talking to you guys. All right, see you on the flip. All right, guys, so that was an apartment building after the police academy. I had to run, had to jet, because that police academy was holding me up. you know, entitlement. I tell you. But anywho, so now we're on our way to the third one. The third one is a apartment. I know you guys are like, she ain't talking much today. That's because I be rolling. A lot of days when I'm rolling like this, I just don't make these ride-alongs because it's kind of hard to do so. But this next one I'm going to is going to be an apartment, and then after that we're going to a fine dining, supposed to be, that's what it said, fine dining family style restaurant. We're going to find out when we get there exactly how much of a fine dining it is. Because sometimes they have them labeled as such, and they don't be that. They be something else. We gonna see. Okay. So yeah. And some things I can't definitely. That's why when I was going into the academy, I had to just kill it, because some things you can't show. And then, you know, they ask for images of different types of things with enforcement officers all over the place. Like, you can't take pictures of these people and they working. Like, get what? We worked it out the best way we could up in there. You know, I had to lay on my charm, smile and kill a little bit at them so that they'll get up and be like, oh, no problem. I'll move for you. No problem. No problem. Let me get out of the way. Oh, my God. You had somebody give me a 20-ounce bottle of whatever type of juicy drink this is. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to drink it at all. It looks like it's loaded with sugar. They don't need that. If don't nobody need it, they don't need sugar. Okay. But anyway, I hit you guys up when we get to the actual next location. Some of these people be making me fish grease hot. I am not even lying to you. Fish grease hot, okay? Okay, so the guy who's supposed to be meeting me here at this particular location, he decided he's gonna make him a quick little stop. And this quick little stop turned into him having to wait somewhere inside of a building that he shouldn't have been in the first place. And he knew he was on his way to an appointment. So now he's late, seriously late. And the only reason why I didn't go ahead on and leave, the only reason is because I knew for a fact that I would either have to reschedule before it's all over or pass it along and let somebody else have it. Tell them to give it to somebody else. Okay, so that's a lose-lose situation right there. So the first thing I need to do is just relax a little bit. The next location is about a few minutes away from here, but I hate it when I be standing around waiting because people don't take appointments seriously. It's just be getting on my nerves so bad. And now they're trying to get me to get inside of a lockbox that don't exist. This lockbox is not even there. Man, I hit you guys on the flip. Okay, so it's a restaurant, and I don't know about fine dining, but okay, it's a restaurant, to say the least. So I am about 6 minutes early. Don't matter. I'm finna have to go ahead and go in here because restaurants, you just never know. You never know what's gonna happen when you walk in there, especially when they have customers. You gotta just get in there quick as you can so that they'll allow you to at least move around a little bit inside of their establishment. So we're gonna get off of here and see what's gonna happen. Dude did show up over at the other location. Well, another one. He showed up and couldn't get the lockbox open. So we had to, well, not we. He climbed the gate and with the spikes and all in dress shoes. And we got off in there, okay? And just I told him, while I'm taking these outside pictures, you need to start knocking on some doors so we can get in one of these units because I have to get in one of these units. Whew. Y'all see how hot I am? Whew. They get hot, okay? All right. Check you guys on the flip. Goddamn pearls be choking the life out of me. Okay? All right. Whew. I'm glad I went on ahead and went up in there. Knocked it out. Pushing. Okay? So far, that is 2 apartments, a police academy, health club, and a restaurant. That girl working today. Y'all hear me? When I finish this last one right here, when I finish it up, it will be 2 o'clock, hopefully, no later than 2:30. And I will have pushed $480 for 5 quick stops. Well, I ain't gonna say quick, because I've been in traffic, okay? But at least I will have made a little taste of change today. Okay, can't complain. All right, catch you guys on the flip. Yes, and most definitely. How are you? I'm glad you're here early.
Oh, I'm here since 2.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can go in. Thank you so much. I'm gonna get an image on the outside really quick, and then we're gonna proceed. All right? Well, thank you.
People, leave.
Well, thank you so much.
Just a little bit. We're done.
Yeah, we're done. I'll get in touch with Elliot if I need anything.
All right.
Thank you so much. I do, because you just called.
Did you did the inspection on Glasswell?
Glasswell?
Yes.
I know. Glasswell on the street, Glasswell?
Yes.
I don't know if I did or not. How long has it go?
Not long.
I might have. I don't know for sure.
Yeah, because I have questions about the electrical, but I will talk to Elliot about that.
Yeah. Well, is the electrical old over there? Okay, well then what kind of questions could you possibly have on old electric? But how soon do you need to change it? That's the question. Okay, wait on the email on that one. I can't tell you the answer to that. All right. Thank you. Bye. And that is it, guys. That is it. And turn it off for just a second. Whew. I got questions about some electrical, some old electrical number that you need to change. What kind of questions you got? Sorry, these people be killing me. Okay, but anyway, 2:30 we are finished, and we get to what? Go home, and I started at 11 o'clock. I have made $480 a day. A good day, I must say. Now I need to go to the grocery store, pick up a few things, because I won't be able to get out tomorrow and handle anything. Business as usual. Okay. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notification bell. I'll be bringing you back something later. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.